all of last week and right now of Robert Jones, of Jerome Morgan, of Betty Broughton, of Jermaine Hudson, of George Stinney. Individuals who spent far too many years of their young lives for crimes they did not commit. So I am absolutely thankful to God for girding me and seeing my family through this. Of course, I'm glad to be vindicated and found not guilty, as expected. However, this is in no way a celebration of any form. As Judge Afric so eloquently said to the jury last week and at the beginning of jury selection, there are no winners and losers in the criminal legal system. There are simply resolutions. There are simply resolutions. It's not a sport. I think Deuce McAllister said it at the end of the first trial of Mr. Hayes. I think it was probably DSU, put a microphone in his face and it said, "Hey Deuce, you won today." And Deuce said, "I didn't win anything. My friend is still dead. Another man is going to be away from his son for a very long time." There are no winners and losers in the criminal legal system. They're just resolutions, and those resolutions have to be just. I suppose this was my pepper spray. In order for an officer like Kevin Williams to carry pepper spray, he's got to be sprayed in the face with it. They must experience that feeling of shock, of pain, of disorientation and fear before they can use it on a private citizen. And now I have personally felt the pain, fear, isolation, and disorientation of an abuse of power, of the abuse of prosecutorial discretion. It was an incredibly sober experience to witness the power of an overreaching rogue prosecution. Also, my friend and law partner, Nicole Burdett, was convicted of crimes that she did not commit. She acted with integrity and refused to lie or embellish the truth. And she paid a dear cost for her integrity. I'm confident that she too will be vindicated, and this ordeal will finally be over. Whether you agree with my politics or my policies or not, what I learned was that this could happen to anyone. What happened to me could happen to anyone. And my role here and my goal here is to make sure that justice is served in this building behind me. And so while this brilliant legal team of Lisa Wayne, Billy Gibbons, Avery Pardee, and Mike Magna continue to fight for Nicole's innocence, I am excited to personally get back into the fight for the people of this city. I'm excited to get back in criminal court and fighting for the victims and survivors of the violent crime that are absolutely plaguing the city of New Orleans. Our city is in dire straits. We need everyone in the boat rowing in the same direction to make this city safe. So I'm extremely glad to get back at it and try a murder case in Section H today. And I appreciate the patience that you all have given me. And I appreciate the support that I've felt throughout this entire city, not just over the past couple of weeks, but over the past couple of years. They've been some tough ones. I'm not going to take it.